This video will show you how to upload a new project to our Notes and Links platform. You see we are on our home screen. On the top right, you see Add Project. You can give your project a project name and you click Next. Then you can add individual members or whole teams as you like. Then you drag and drop your P6 file into here, and then you just give it a description and what it is, hit baseline, and then you simply go on to create. Then this will be uploaded. If you want to add a new version, you do the same thing here. You say this is version 1, it is a new version, and then you drag and drop your update and you hit create. Then you will see after a couple of minutes this home screen with your baseline and your uploaded version. And this is how you update and upload a project. You can also invite here on the bottom left new people to this project. You can delete this project as well here and add project version or add project details.